Hi, I'm Tom, this is my transporter and welcome to TeeTV. So guys, welcome to my channel. It's going to be the first repair of a vehicle I have done and recorded it. I did one before, a couple of months ago, and I wish I had recorded it because I think it would have been quite interesting, but there you go. So we have the T5.1 2012, clearly had a front end accident, and my plan for today is to take the front end off and figure out what parts I need to order to repair this. But before we get into that, let's do a bit of investigation, try and figure out what happened to this poor van. I need to answer this. Okay, so obviously everything's smashed in there. Got an intercooler, aircon rad, and coolant rad. I mean, even the bonnet strut. Even the bonnet strut's taken a smack. So I have noticed there is a hole clean through all three. I have a rack of my brains trying to figure out what on earth caused that. And it's even, can you see in there, it's done the EGR pipe. Oh, and the power steering bottle has a nice crack in it. So it's got no power steering, no coolant, no aircon, and doesn't hold boost. It's also got two destroyed headlights, and well, the bumper, I think, not much left of that. So it's clearly had a front end out. Oh, and the crash bar down there is properly bent. So moving around, the side of the van is actually pretty tidy. This side's pretty clean, it's got a little scratch there, and a little dent in the driver's door. Not too bad. And then we come to this behemoth of a dent. Now, I've had the doors open, and this is pushed all the way through to the inner metalwork. So I think no airbags have gone off, by the way. So I think because the airbags haven't gone off, I think this van was actually parked. I think it was, no one was in it, and it got rear-ended and pushed into something. Because I mean, the smack like this, yeah, the airbag should have gone off. So that's what I'm guessing. Maybe if you've got your own theories about, you know, what could have happened, put them in the comments. Love to hear it. But let's strip this front end off.
Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down.
Yeah, that crash bar probably had a proper smack right in the middle there. We will we'll have to pull this off and replace it. And obviously the intercooler and radiators and everything, they're pretty bent up too. The slam panel has this nasty crack in it here, and it's just torn apart all over the place, so we'll replace that too, and obviously both headlights. But yeah, we'll continue with the teardown. See how we get on. I've successfully removed crash bar from this side anyway. It's still on over there. I was not expecting it to be part of the mount for the intercooler, and I don't think I would have been able to get anything off from this front end while the crash bar was on, because it was all dented in. So yeah, I'm with the crash bar half off, I'm now going to have to remove the radiator, intercooler and aircon condenser. So, well, getting through it anyway. You can see the damage continues. I don't know how to explain this, but it's like, it smells like chickens. Not like live chickens, like a farm or something. That's what it smells like. I don't know how else to explain it. Weird. But oh well, we'll keep digging, see what we find. Now that I've got the crash bar off, got to figure out how this comes off. Bearing in mind, I've never taken a transporter front end off before. I've taken Skodas and Seats apart, but never a transporter, so this is all new to me. But we'll get there.
Life goes up and it goes down.
And there you have it, clean through. And the fan doesn't even spin. But the fan does not look damaged. I don't see any cracks or missing parts. It looks good. So I think we might have had a touch there and we don't have to order a new fan. But only time will tell. But as for the fan, as you can see where that came through, got clean in the EGR pipe. Luckily it's not too bad to get 2 screws up there, 2 screws down there, swap that pipe out for another one. Otherwise I haven't really noticed anything else back here that's of concern. Everything else looks pretty good, so I think we've been lucky. It's just that pipe. If you can't tell, I'm absolutely sweating buckets. It's so hot today. Mind you, we haven't. This is today is Saturday. I think Monday and Tuesday are going to be like 38 degrees. So I'd rather do this now than then. But yeah. Next to come off, I guess, is the headlights and the slant panel. So let's crack on with that then.
Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down.
And that, guys, is that. That's as far as I'm going today. I was going to take the bonnet off, but it's going to be about a week before I get back here with all the parts that I'm going to need. So for the time being, the bonnet can stay on. You can just sit down like this. And yeah, but I've got plenty of things to order. Slam panel, radiator, intercooler, aircon, got the crash bar, front bumper, headlights, obviously bonnet, and that bonnet hinge. I might order a pair just in case. I've also got the power steering bottle to sort out. And I think at the front, that is it. Alright then guys, well that brings us to the end of this video. So next week I should have all the parts to completely rebuild the front end. Well, not panels, but like the radiator and the slam panel, and I'll get all that ordered ASAP. And yeah, I mean, if you enjoyed the video, there's loads more coming. I've got another project as well, not just this van. I've got another transporter as well that needs a completely different load of work doing, so that's all coming up. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.